What I wish I knew about beetles before I was 12? Prepare to be amazed. Fact 1. Beetles make up about 40% of all known insects. That's right, almost half of the insect world is beetles. Fact 2. The Hercules beetle can lift up to 850 times its own weight. That's like you lifting a school bus. No sweat. Fact 3. Ever seen a glowing beetle? Fireflies are actually beetles, and they use their light to attract mates and prey. Talk about multitasking. Fact 4. Beetles can live in almost any habitat. From deserts to rainforests, there's a beetle for every environment. Fact 5. The oldest beetle fossils date back 270 million years. Beetles were roaming the earth before the dinosaurs. If you enjoyed these mind-blowing facts, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing science tidbits. Catch you next time.